What's up, y'all? It's your boy came over. Today we're gonna be playing Survive Weird Mafioso. Is this something I just want to do? But I want to do is Sunyan, why are you eating corn, man? That's bullhorn. John Doe. What did Gubby even do? What did Gubby even do, man? Hold on, let me find it. I was just trying to win the Weezer ritual. Hold up. Okay, there's like Chance and John Doe and Mafioso eating Gubby. Holy! Okay, we got Zelensky, Absolute Cinema from Mafioso, Cool Kids and Blue Dude, LASD eating pizza, Sean, Zelensky eating chicken, Mafioso again, Chance eating coin. John Doe, Mafioso eating Gubby. Sorry, I seriously wanted to add that. EAS history in 45 minutes. Look, okay, this is not actually an emergency, well, but it's just something I wanted to put. We're in there for some reason. William on FCI. The old Paul voice. Is it? Samantha, there's still a warning.
Until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated the severe thunderstorm 5 miles southwest of Checker, or about 18 miles southeast of Pittsfield, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning area include Worthington, Williamsburg.
Meet the young survivor of an incredible attack by a raging bear. It's part of our Staying Alive series. Monday on The Early Show with Bryant Gumbel and Jane Clayson. This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is just silence. That's it. This silence. Nightmare! But why are you looking at me?
We have a little clip to show. Push your back.
The flick? Sounds like a little...
Alright, in just under a minute, millions of Americans will witness history. For the first time ever, the government will launch a nationwide test of the emergency...
In 2011.
It's designed to allow the President of the United States to address the country within 10 minutes from any location at any time. This is 9/11, which some critics say proves the U.S. is still living with an outdated warning system. So, if you're watching television or you're listening to the radio, you are about to hear it. We're told it will last just 30 seconds.
1370.
Here we go, folks.
Just to remind you, this is just an emergency action notification in 2011. That's it.
Emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
Take on the severe spending cuts necessary to pull Greece out of its debt crisis. In other news, legendary Penn State football coach Joe Paterno says he will retire at the end of the season. This comes as his former assistant coach Sherry Sandusky is charged with several counts of child rape. Paterno released this statement.
No! That's crazy! That's crazy, man! Child what? Okay, that's inappropriate. That's inappropriate. Turn that off. Okay, I seriously need to turn this off. That's crazy, man. I'm gonna keep this so kid-friendly. I'm gonna keep this video kid-friendly. Voting visits like this guy. You found more media. You found more media. A pizza. That's crazy. What is my arms doing? My head is tweaking, man. My arms and head is tweaking. Let's go get it! The evolution of the emergency broadcast was I gotta turn off this email. What the heck is going on?
Maybe one of the more popular, but certainly not one of the better records. That by Kathy Young, 1,000 Stars. It's 22 minutes after 1.
This is a test. For the next 60 seconds, this station will conduct a test of the emergency broadcast system. This is only a test. This has been a test of the emergency broadcast system. The broadcasters of your area, in voluntary cooperation with the FCC and other authorities, have developed this system to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have been instructed where to tune in your area for news and official information. This concludes this test of the emergency broadcast system.
KDKA, Pittsburgh, Pittsburgh.
Oh, a coin!
Perfect vision. Well, it should be. This is your prescription. Here's your temporary. Your license.
Oh!
Well, I marked your test. You got your good line out. She just got her improved glasses. What? She wasn't wearing glasses? Of course she was. Excuse me. Wait, what about the eye chart?
Shop Weird's tonight till 9. This is a test.
You won't live to see the next day.
I'm gonna just have some tests in the background. So I might have to mute everything, I guess.
For the next 60 seconds, this station will conduct a test of the emergency broadcast system. This is only a test.
The emergency broadcast system is what it is, uses that tone, that's it.
This is a test of the emergency broadcast system. The broadcasters of your area, in voluntary cooperation with the FCC and other authorities, have developed this system to keep you informed in the event of a serious emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have been instructed where to tune in your area for news and official information. This concludes this test of the emergency broadcast system.
So, so the thing that you already heard is just some emergency broadcast system testing that will come up on my Nintendo Switch speaker. That was so random. But who was slapping me? No, don't you dare! Well, it's just some random noises and some random stuff. That's it. See ya!